Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change voice prompt volume for your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini. And you have to start by open SHOKZ application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and you need to go to the settings at the right top. Then click at the settings and go to prompt settings. And right here at the top we have volume control, so by default it's set to medium. You can increase the volume by click at the high or lower it by click at the low. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!